Good morning, it's Monday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 106. First up, some guy on the internet replaced a $120,000 bowling alley computer with $1,600 worth of little chips. $1,600. Do you know what that is? That's a weekend at the Clam and a new transmission. And the crazy part is it works. The pins go down, the score goes up. The little cartoon guy still does the thing when you get a strike. That's the whole job. That's the entire job. Second, there's a new AI out called Qwen 3.8. And I gotta be honest with you, I don't know what the numbers mean anymore. 3.8. Is that better than 4? Because in my house, 3.8 is what Meg got in geometry, and nobody threw a party. But everybody's real excited, so I'm excited. I'm standing here being excited about a decimal. Third, and this one broke my brain a little, Claude Code now uses Bun, which is written in Rust. Which, you know what this reminds me of? My cousin Sal. He rebuilt his whole truck engine so it get to the deli 4 seconds faster. 4 seconds. Same deli. Same sandwich. But he's happier, and honestly, so's the sandwich. Meanwhile, I turn on my work laptop, and Windows goes, "Hey, Peter, we've got 12 updates. This'll take 40 minutes, and no, you may not use the computer, and no, we will not tell you what any of it does." Heh. Okay, that's something. These Rust fellas are shaving off milliseconds, and Microsoft's over there charging me a lunch break to move a button. And finally, a guy sold 2,500 MIDI recorders and wrote up what he learned. And his big conclusion was, hardware's not that hard. Which, respectfully, buddy, that's what everybody says right up until the little plastic clip snaps. But I like him. He made a real thing that a real person holds, and then he told everybody how, for free, which is more than my cable company's ever done for me. 2,500 people out there making music on his box. That's a nice life. That's your Daily Bite. Have a great day. Until next time.